This guy builds a luxury dome house in just a few days, and the entire process is absolutely fascinating to watch. The project showcased by Domigea demonstrates how innovative construction can redefine modern housing. From the very beginning, the focus is on efficiency, precision, and smart design. The dome structure immediately stands out because of its unique curved geometry. Unlike traditional square homes, a dome distributes weight evenly across the frame. This makes the structure incredibly strong and resistant to harsh weather conditions. The builder starts by preparing the ground carefully to ensure a stable foundation. Leveling the site is crucial before any construction begins. A solid base ensures that the dome will sit perfectly balanced. After marking the circular footprint, the foundation work begins quickly. High-quality materials are used to guarantee durability. The process is streamlined, saving both time and labor costs. Once the base is ready, the frame assembly begins. The dome frame consists of triangular segments connected precisely. These triangles form a geodesic pattern that strengthens the entire shell. Each piece is measured and aligned with great accuracy. The structure begins to take shape surprisingly fast. Within hours, the skeleton of the dome becomes visible. Watching the curved walls rise is truly impressive. The speed of construction challenges traditional building timelines. Specialized connectors hold the frame securely together. Every joint is tightened to maintain structural integrity. The dome shape allows wind to flow smoothly around it. This reduces pressure compared to flat-walled houses. After the frame is complete, exterior panels are installed. These panels provide insulation and weather protection. The materials used are both lightweight and durable. Energy efficiency is a major advantage of dome homes. The curved design reduces heat loss significantly. This makes the house environmentally